Hello, what's up? My name is Subhas Kafle, and today I'm gonna do the unboxing of iPhone 17. So the short story, I went to buy the iPhone 17 Pro and the Pro Max, but they were out of it for the certain time, and I don't want to get my hands on to more than 1 TB as of now. So I decided to buy iPhone 17, and unfortunately I was not able to get the white one. They only had the option for mist blue. That sounds interesting. So talking about the phone, it comes with 8 GB of RAM. It's a 6.3 Super Retina display, and it has a ProMotion technology that can go up to 120 Hz refresh rate from 1 Hz refresh rate. And it's a great phone. Like, it comes with the Type-C, and for that purpose it doesn't come with a brick. And I also got 20 watt power adapter for this one. So I'll just keep this on the side and let's do the unboxing. The good part of the unboxing is that you always feel good from the Apple. They have done the very good research and development for the unboxing part. The box are really good. So you feel the texture over there, the small, slowly going down, and here you go. It's a lovely color, and it matches with my desktop as well, the blue color, and it feels very good. Like, it is kind of solid. Let me peel up this sticker. Oh, that sounds interesting, and you feel very premium and luxury holding this phone, and it's quite good fit in my hand too, as my fingers are really small, but I do feel comfortable holding this phone. Yeah, I like it. So more reviews of this phone will be uploaded in the YouTube soon, so subscribe for that one, and thank you.